So I'm here with Dylan. He's been crushing it, helping busy professionals burn body fat and build muscle at the same time. Dylan, introduce yourself to the audience. Tell them about yourself.
Dylan Kosek, and in the fitness space for probably 4 years now, and I was struggling to find traction and the confidence to reach out to my own audience. PT Legends really helped me do that. So
Let's go. So how long have you been working with us over at PT Legends now?
around 5 months.
Beautiful. Okay. And then, so over the last 5 months, before you signed on with us, like what was kind of your intake? What were you kind of doing before you joined with the Legends?
I was really trying to let my content bring in the clientele for me organically, and it just wasn't cutting it. So that's why I reached out to you guys.
So like, have you ever worked with another coach before?
I have not.
Any other programs, anything like that?
Nope.
Okay. So what was one of the main reasons why you reached out to PT Legends or you decided to go with us?
I seen the success that Eric was posting all the time, and I was just at a low point, and I needed to make a change.
That's what's up. Well, glad you chose us. Since you were able to make that change, you made that investment in yourself. Like, so what have been some of your biggest wins? Like, what's been going on the last couple of months for you?
The last 2 months, I've collected 13.5K, and in the month of April alone, I did 8.2K. So
awesome. So one thing people probably don't know about you is like you had an app before, like before joining the program, you were running the fitness app and running that angle and whatnot. How much was that app bringing in for you over the entire year?
Before you guys, it was bringing in roughly $10,000 in recurring, and then I also had my one-on-one stuff, so roughly 20K overall for the year. And since I've joined you guys, just since in the last 5 months, I've already made that in the year. So yeah.
My bad. That's what's up. That's the big thing. Cool. All right. So if you were able to talk to anybody that's like sitting on the fence, that's thinking about making the investment in themselves, like what would you have to say about that?
I think my favorite quote is, when you're most scared to jump, that's when you jump. A quote that I like also: you jump first and then you learn how to build your parachute as you're falling. So I like that one as well. So
go. Beautiful. So if somebody wanted to reach out to you about training or had any questions or anything like that, where can they find you?
Instagram and TikTok are my main places, and it's just my name. So Dylan Kosek.
Okay. Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right. And then you said over the last 2 months, like how much did you bring in?
13.5K.
Let's go. All right, brother. I appreciate you for your time. Thank you very much. And if you guys are interested in learning anything or talking to Dylan, definitely reach out to him. He'll definitely be tagged in this. I appreciate you guys.